aiming at me.
They're so quiet. I wonder they're on the horn.
Okay, let me see. Here, Gabby, look.
So cute. Are those
Aren't they cute?
mouths?
Yeah, their mouths
see.
open.
Can you turn the brightness down a little bit? It's very nope. Right there. The knob. Your index finger. Yeah, top. There you go.
Is that down?
Hold on.
It's cute.
Turn it up a little bit. There you go.
It's up all the way.
Turn down a little bit.
Where's it?
A little bit more than that. Can't see it. There you go. Here, Zach, look. On mom's right. Get on mom's right. Get on
Come
mom's
behind
right.
me.
Mom's right. The other right. Mom's right. Come here. Look, Zach. There's a bird right there. See it? This is his eye. His beak. And look, there's more, Zach. Come on.
He doesn't care.
He's like, yeah, I don't care anymore.
There was a cave in the Follow Day.
So that's brightness all the way up.
Can I see them? Can I
That's all
peek
the way.
through
There
the
you go.
hole?
No, you can't look in the hole.
Why?
Isn't that cute? Little babies.
Oh yeah, so cute. It's so cute.
You can screenshot the video.
So
Okay.
cute.
Okay.
Double
Stop.
pink.